You have not seen it yet. What is happening? Sister, what is happening? Why is everything delayed? Why is the marriage so late? Things are not going according to plan. Why? But he says, sing in the midst of this challenge. Sing, oh barren. This is God. He wants you to believe. In the world, we say, seeing is what? Believing. But God said, believing is seeing. People of God, we should be praising God. We should be praising God. Don't wait to be raised before you praise. Your praising will bring your raising.